If you don't like grumpy animals but still want some cute company, then check out these top 5 friendly creatures. Number 5, the capybara. These giant rodents are basically the chillest animals ever, everyone's friend at the watering hole. At number 4, it's the golden retriever. If tail wags and happy licks are your thing, you'll love this loyal, lovable dog. Number 3, dolphins. They're not just smart. They're playful and love hanging out with humans and each other. Coming in at number 2, the quokka. These tiny Australian marsupials always look like they're smiling. Selfie, anyone? And at number 1, the giant panda. These gentle giants spend their days munching bamboo and giving off major cuddly vibes. So which of these friendly animals would you want to meet? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to share this with your animal-loving friends.